Yes, it is true. Mice are killing it on Etsy. It's mouse hole wall stickers to be exact. 590 sales, estimated monthly revenue, $4,124 a month. You have to check out these in the basket numbers. So you can see how amazing these numbers are. You need to go to Etsy and check this out for yourself. Type in mouse hole wall and then go to decal or stickers. The competition is currently so low because these products used to have to be hand drawn, but now with Midjourney, you can go and create them yourself. What you don't want to do is go to Midjourney and type in cute little mouse, going to the bathroom on a toilet, reading the newspaper in a hole in the wall, white wall decal, or a cute little mouse inside of a hole in a white wall reading the paper on a toilet inside a mouse hole. Midjourney just does not understand that you want a mouse in a mouse hole doing its thing. It doesn't get it. It's going to leave you frustrated trying to come up with the perfect prompt. What you want to do is create your hole first. If you look at a number of the shops on Etsy, you can see that they're using the same mouse hole. So you can see that all of these holes are the same. Sometimes they flip them, and you can find this in a number of the stores where they're using the same actual hole. And then they're creating their images and putting it behind the hole. That's how you want to make your mouse holes. That's going to leave you a lot less frustrated, and your images are going to be just as awesome as these ones here. And just in case you don't believe that an actual mouse hole sticker can make $4,000 a month, we're just going to head over to Everbee to take a look. And if you're still 100% not sure and you want to check this out for yourself in Everbee, you can click on my link in the description, head over to Everbee. You can try it out for free. There is no credit card required. And your free trial doesn't have to end. They do have a hobby plan where you get 10 analytic searches per month, or you can go all the way up to the growth plan where you get unlimited analytic searches per month. So you can check out these numbers as often as you'd like. So let's check out the product analytics. If we click on the monthly sales to see the highest earning sticker for the month, 590 sales for this one 3D mouse reading book in mouse hole wall decal sticker. Estimated monthly revenue $4,124 a month. Now that was the highest earning one. That if you scroll down though, you'll see the next one came in at $1,447 a month, 252, and this is just for one sticker. 175, 245, 175. These are different stores, different stickers. Most hole decal stickers are getting tons of sales a month. You can also look at the total sales. You can see the different stores that they're coming from. Everbee gives you such great information, so you can see what kind of stickers that you might try to create based on the ones that are really selling. Don't forget that if you are going to create your own mouse hole wall decal stickers, you can come back into Everbee, take a look at the titles that are being used, and take a look at the tags that they use to be found. Another thing that I also really like to look at when I'm using Everbee, so this one sticker that has come in second place for monthly sales, 207 stickers sold. The listing is 2 months old. Okay, and here we have some other ones that are only 3 months old, 4 months old. another 2 months old, and it made 24 sales. So a bunch of these are only 2 months old, and they're already getting tons of sales. One sticker, $126 estimated revenue. So I've convinced you what a great niche this is, but you're thinking, how am I going to make my own stickers? If you're not familiar with print on demand, you can click on the link below that I have in the description for Printify. That's where I get all of my products printed from t-shirts to stickers. You just want to click on catalog, go to magnets and stickers. You can see their best-selling Kiss Cut stickers start at $1.39, and that would be your cost. And then if you join Printify Premium, you can get that at a lower cost for $1.07. And they have a number of different sticker options that you can choose from.